Hey everybody, today is the day. New Apple Watch Day. Technically it's new Apple product day, you know, you can get the phone and all that stuff, but today I got me two watches. I figured I wanted to do something different. I wanted to unbox both editions. So I have the titanium edition and the ceramic edition. Yeah. So I also thought, you know, wear this shirt, unlike Mr. McDuck here, I cannot keep both of these. So I will be returning one of them. But I wanted to get both unboxed because I'm honestly not sure which one I'm keeping right now. I really want to keep this one, but this one's more affordable. So we will see. I'm going to have to see them both and wear them for a couple days and then decide. So let's do the titanium one first. So to be honest, I've actually already unboxed this one. I did a video earlier unboxing it before the ceramic one came out, but sadly something happened with the recording and it didn't work. So I am doing it again. But yeah, as you can see, right there, the Apple Watch is actually emborded, or whatever you call it. It's imprinted, and it matches, you know, the case of the watch. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Ooh. And this is very different from what we normally get. Normally you'll see like it's all colored versions of the watches and everything, but for this, at least this model, I don't know about the ceramic yet, they actually did like a nice, you know, same kind of silverish of the actual color of the watch, which is, I mean, it's a good surprise because I wasn't expecting it. A couple things that you will notice, you do get two bands with the edition models. So yeah, so I added the Milanese loop to this one just because I wanted to try it out and check to see, you know, how it looked with the titanium, because I'm not too sure about that, and that's a factor. So I am going to be doing another video, probably posting that one tomorrow, about how the link bracelet looks and how the Milanese looks with the titanium watch. So like I said, I've actually already unboxed this one, but I put most of the stuff back, not all of it, but there we go. That's the box itself. You got the paperwork. Now what I didn't put back because I couldn't figure it out is the charger. Like, I actually took it out because I wanted to see, because they always do the stainless for the higher up prices, and I was really hoping they would do some kind of titanium, because the aluminum ones get like just a white. So I was just kind of hoping for something a little different there, but nope, it was the same. But yeah, this is a lot thicker. Normally this is just like the paperwork, but this is where they actually, it looks like you get this little edition booklet, little paperwork, you know, just all the normal stuff though. And then you get the edition watch bands. So the editions come with their own unique watch bands that don't get sold outside of the, you know, of buying an edition. So anyway, alright, let's take a look at this bad boy. So this is actually the watch itself. You slide it out, and there it is. I mean, it is beautiful. Like, I mean, it's, you know, it's that titanium brushed metal. It's not the same as, you know, it's obviously more dull than the stainless steel silver, and it's a little deeper color than the aluminum silver. So it's in this middle ground. It is a lot lighter. Like, I mean, from, like, I got the steel model on right now, it's the space black, but it is lighter, but it's still a little heavier than I think the aluminum. Put it with the band. Let's pull this out. So this band's pretty cool. It actually has a titanium pin. So the ceramic has the ceramic pin. The titanium has a titanium pin. So that's really cool. Looks good. You know, like I said, I'll compare it with other bands in the next video as well. But for this unboxing, there you go. That is the titanium. Now let's get to the one I'm really excited about. The ceramic. I wanted this so bad last year. I had saved up, I was ready for it, and then it didn't come when they did the Series 4. So I was kind of disappointed. So I really want to keep this one, but I just don't know. All right, so let's get this set and open that up. I don't know what this one's going to look like. I don't know if they did a white or what. So here we go. Yep, it's all white. Oh, that looks cool. I like that. I like how they, those details. Those details is why Apple is amazing, because they're all about the details. So for this one, I probably should have gotten the leather loop, but I went with just the a sport loop. And yeah, so that's it for that. I'm just going to put that to the side. I might show it to you later. And let's unbox this bad boy, because I am super excited for this one. Alright, so now one other thing that I've noticed is with past edition models, you'd actually get this little bad boy. So this is Apple Watch dock that Apple sells for about $80. I think it's $79. And they'd at least include this, so you'd get the charger cable, and then you'd also get this too. But for whatever reason, they don't do that anymore. So that's that. All right, let's look at the paperwork. Probably about the same. That looks a little different. Where's the other one? So yeah, so if you notice, they put, the watch on the titanium is actually like the silver, where this one's black. All right, but all the inside's probably about the same. And then you get the beautiful white band with the ceramic pin, which I actually have one already. So yeah, just check out that ceramic pin right there. But yeah, I'm really excited to start wearing that, even though I already have one. Just look real quick. Yeah, that's still the same silver. Don't need to open. So that's how they do it. Okay. All right. So here we go. Oh, here it is. Oh, it looks so good. Oh. You see that? So this is the ceramic edition Apple Watch. That is beautiful. But yeah, so that's what it looks like in the, I'm going to get it paired up. I'll probably do a video on it. So the reason to buy the ceramic, the titanium I think is pretty tough. I don't think it's going to scratch as easy as the stainless steel model. I'm not exactly sure how tough it is. Let me go ahead and pair this. But the ceramic is like super scratch resistant. Now if you drop it, it can shatter because it's ceramic. But it's about like the sapphire screen. So the reason to buy the more expensive ones is because they have the sapphire screen on them. So all the steel models, all the titanium and edition models have the sapphire screen. So it's really hard to scratch that. And then the higher you go, the more scratch resistant the actual finish is on the watch too. So, but that's it. Take a look at it on the wrist. So there it is. You can actually see my recording because I control the phone with the watch to record the videos. But yeah, ooh, this looks so amazing. Yeah, I got to figure out a way to keep this one because I really want this one. This one's nice, but it's just not. It's not the same. I mean, it's too much like the aluminum, I feel, like in looks. Not saying that I have to have like a nice watch, but if you're spending the money, like, I don't know. That being said, like, I had the Series 3 in the aluminum or the ceramic for a little bit, and people asked me if it was plastic. So, there you go. It's the most expensive piece of plastic I can think of. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Like I said, I am going to post another one. Hopefully tomorrow, showing off the titanium against the aluminum and with some of the steel bands and just how it matches, how it looks, and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, anything you'd like to see with these watches. I would love to do some more videos on them before I have to send one of them back. So please let me know what you want to see there. I'm also going to compare the weights and stuff like that probably in the next video too. But that's it for today. I hope you like it. Like I said, this one especially is... I love it. But yeah, that's me. So have a good day. Happy Apple Watch Day, new Apple Watch Day, new Apple Product Day, whatever you want to call it. And I will see you later. Bye.